Yeah, you wanna put that dish in your mouth.
Wish you could slide into my mind and make me mine. Push play rewind. It's wet outside, and so am I. You wanna slide?
All right, what's going on, Jer Eats Nation? We are here in Downey at Pelicana Chicken. We are here to do a fire chicken challenge. What I have in front of me right now is not the challenge. I'm gonna eat something before we start it, but I just wanna display some of the stuff they have on the menu. We have daboki, which is like rice cakes. And then I just got a little bit of their sides as far as onion rings, fries, and the cheese ball. We'll try that out. Got their Korean fried chicken with the signature sauce. And then we have some twisted donuts. Kind of looks like American churros. And then also we have the chicken wrap. So I'm gonna try this out for you guys, and then as soon as I'm done eating this, we'll bring out the challenge, and I'll explain the challenge when I have it. So I'm just gonna dig in real quick. It was really good, guys. Let me turn the hat for you guys. It's like sweet and savory. Try their little cheese ball. I actually like it really nice. Rainer said it was kind of like a Brazilian cheese ball, but I think this one has a little bit more cheese and has a sweeter, more savory taste. Got some of their onion rings. Really nice and fluffy. These are just some regular fries. Alright, so this is what we're here for, guys. Famous Korean chicken. A really nice taste to it. This is their signature sauce. Not spicy at all. A little bit of sweetness. They have, I think on the regular menu, they have a few options. They have a like regular hot. They have like a couple upgrades that have like 2 flames, 3 flames. This is kind of like how the challenge will look, exception of it would be their spicy sauce. Then we'll try their chicken wrap. So this has their house-made sauce. They have their spring mix, organic, jack cheese, boneless chicken. It's actually really nice. kind of taste the sauce they use, kind of like a little cilantro, but absolutely love it. This is probably my favorite thing so far. The last thing to try, guys, is a twisted donut. I think this is better than a churro. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up and then come right back when we start the challenge. So I'll see you guys all in just a minute. All right, guys, so we're back. I have the challenge in front of me to fire chicken. It's a massive amount of chicken. It's a whole chicken here. I don't have to eat the jalapenos or the cabbage or the white radish, but can't have anything to drink. Have to complete it in 10 minutes. Raina is the only one to complete it. She has a record 9 minutes and 50 seconds. So if I do complete it, I'll get the milk for free, and then they are building a wall of fame, so I'll get myself up on the wall of fame if I can complete it today. I can have unlimited cabbage and radish, but I can have nothing to drink. And then they're not really crazy picky about meat off the bone, but it has to be obviously clean, so we'll make sure we get them all as clean as possible. But without further ado, I'm ready. Hope you guys are ready. I'm gonna have to eat this kind of quick, guys, because it's a lot of chicken, but in 3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
Oh, wow.
7 minutes left.
Not sure if I'm eating bones, guys. $4.40 left. Mm-hmm.
Careful. Careful. Do you want me to open a wake? You got this. $2.30 left. minutes. Let's go, baby. $130. Let's go, come on. $45 seconds left. Come on, babe. Come on. 30 seconds.
It's not finished in my mouth.
Okay. Let's go. You got it. You got this, babe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You finished with 2.
Boom.
Want me to take him off? He finished with 2 seconds left.
All of it in the mouth, 2 seconds left.
Oh my god, congratulations.
Well,
Was it hot?
honestly, no.
Really?
No.
But it was a lot of food.
It was a lot of food. I think when Raina did it with boneless,
Yeah.
I think it would have been faster.
Really?
It's harder with the bone because there's a lot of bone.
Right, right.
So you're trying to get all the bones out.
That's true.
I think it would be easier.
Yeah, but she did it with really hot, bones, maybe.
Yeah.
Because when it was hot, maybe, I don't know. But you did it faster than her.
Yeah.
I think she finished it in like...
Well, mine was 9:58. Hers was 9:50.
Oh.
So she still got me by 8 seconds. Yeah. But hey, it took two competitive eaters to barely finish it.
Right, right, right.
You know. So
Well, congratulations.
it was good though.
good?
It's really good chicken.
Yeah.
It's just I didn't know it was gonna be this much.
Right, right. Whole chicken is like about that much.
Yeah.
18 to 60 pieces.
So, wow. Yeah, it was good. Do you mind if I get something to drink now? Yeah. I'll take like a lemonade. Yeah. Basically like 2 seconds left. All right, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed. 9:58. I'll recheck the timer, but I believe you said it was 2 seconds left. It time stops when it's all in your mouth, so that's when the timer stops. I'm the second person to beat it. Like I said, they're gonna take a picture. We'll be on Wall of Fame with Raina, of course. Mine was with bone in. Hers was boneless. So come check out Pelicana and Downey. They have really great food, great Korean chicken. I'll see you on the next video though. Jer Eats out.